Hello, my name is METİN arkadaşlar. This is 336 part of explanation of my theory. Equations that say photon has mass are the equations that assumed as photon has no mass. Physics claims that it does not work with concepts that cannot be measured. This is the one of basic conditions of science. Science keeps saying it doesn't work with concepts that can't be measured. Okay. This is good. But physics and other sciences must be coherent. There are many contradictions in physics and other sciences. The concepts in all equations are measurable concepts, and each concept in an equation is represented by its own specific unit of measure. A concept that is not included in an equation has no unit of measure in that equation, and vice versa. If the unit of measure of a concept exists in an equation, that concept itself also exists in that equation. This means that the concept hidden in equation with its specific unit is also measured automatically. Like what? This is relativistic relation between momentum and energy. Accepted physics theories try to don't use mass of photon. Try not to use mass. Okay? And they reject the mass concept for photon. For these reasons, they show their ears like this. Try to. But here, there is no mass. It seems like this, there is no mass. From this, they found momentum, okay, momentum P. Planck's constant, wavelength, okay. Planck's constant, wavelength, momentum. Momentum is equals to Planck's constant divided by lambda. And they lie themselves unconsciously. There is no mass. Mass concept doesn't seem in this formula. Is it so? What is that? This is momentum, kilogram meter per second. Here in momentum there is kilogram measuring unit. This is Planck's constant, inside of it kilogram. There is mass inside of Planck's constant. And this is momentum. There is momentum inside Planck's constant. You cannot hide mass. Whatever try to do. You are wrong, physicists. Okay. And don't forget, according to me, Planck's constant is nothing but angular momentum of a photon, and this unit, kilogram meter square per second, is angular momentum unit. Okay? Like this. Mass in momentum, mass in Planck's constant, mass. You see? Why kilogram mass units inside of Planck's constant and momentum for a photon. Why? Why there is kilogram? Where is their concepts? Their concepts are shadow, ghost. Yeah. Wait a moment. A concept that is not included in an equation has no unit of measure in that equation, and vice versa. If the unit of measure of a concept exists in an equation, that concept itself is also exists in that equation. This means that the concept hidden in equation with its specific unit is also measured automatically. You measure automatically kilogram in Planck's constant in momentum for a